Hey guys, this is the best money making in Nigeria and Ghana. Potential earning monthly from this app is at least we see 1,500 plus Ghana cedis. Also in Nigeria, you will see 50,000 naira plus. Here in Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria, the app will pay you through your bank account, while in Ghana, it will pay you through your mobile money. But for me, I use Vodafone Cash here to receive my payment in Nigeria. I have my reason because I am arbitrage man. Okay, guys, I use this for something else. By and large, it means you are making money directly from your phone every single day. My name is Amada Olorunwa, and I share with you how to make money online. If you like this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and smash the notification icon. This video involves 3 steps. Now I'm going to teach you practical. This video I will practicalize everything for you. First thing to do is to move down to our browser. Okay, to move down to our browser, and then you have to search for Tendo login. Okay, Tendo login. So that is exactly what you have to search for. Just click on it like this. It will pop up like this. You sign it and it will pop up like this. Can you see this now? The reason I asked you to go to Tendo, to go to browser, to use browser, is because if you go to Play Store, you cannot see Tendo there. It's the only Ghana own that you will see there. If you go to Play Store and you download that Ghana own, except you have Ghana SIM card, you can register it like that. But if you don't have Ghana SIM card, you cannot register it. For Nigeria, you have to go to what? You have to go use your browser to enter. So the next thing to do now is to write your name. Okay, as you can see here, you write your name here. Let me show you very well. You write your name here, and then your phone number as a Nigerian, your email address, and the password here. Okay guys, so let me just continue. Let me write. So guys, you have to fill that, but for me it's because I have the account already. So my own is I will log in directly. Okay, so let me just log in directly with my phone number now. So press the next. Okay, I will put my password here now. I'll pause the video. Okay, you log in now. Okay guys, so this is exactly the app I'm talking about here, and you can see it here live. Okay guys, the next thing to do now is I will teach you how to get links, so to share. First thing here, what you must know concerning this app is that you don't need any capital to start any business. If you are looking for business to start, this is an opportunity for you to start this business on your own. How can I go about this app? First thing is to find products on this app. Just look for the product. You can see that now we have different types of products here, and then the product available at wholesale price. Everything here is available at wholesale price. Okay, so the second one is that add your own profit. You can see, for instance, now look at this good Hamza handshake. Can you see this? Let me show you very well. Okay, look at this one now. This is what we call good Hamza handshake. For instance, now as you can see, it's 1,400 naira. So how do you go about it is that you will now add your own price to it. For instance, you can add 100%. Okay, you, as if for 1,400 naira, you can add 1,000 naira, so you can say 2,400 naira if you want to place your own advert. Okay guys, so if you want to place your own advert, you can add 1,000 naira to it, or you may add more than that. Okay guys, so the next thing here is to share online. You must be using, whether you use Instagram, you use Facebook, but I will practicalize that Facebook for you for better understanding. You use for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, that is your point of marketing. Okay, the fourth one is receive orders. When you receive orders, you will come down to this app again to come and fill the order. I will practicalize everything for you, but I'm just listing what to do first. Place order for your customer. When you place the order, the name of the customer, address of the customer, you don't need to ship it. It is the company that will ship all these things to the customer destination. Okay, when they get to the destination, that is when the person will now pay the money. When they pay the money, so they will now give you your own share. They put it in your account, because but you have to verify your account, and your account number details, everything must be done, so that they will now be pinning you every time. Okay guys, so aside from that, you now be receiving your cash. Okay, so now the next thing to do now is to practicalize it now, the marketing. How can you market this product now? For instance, now look at this bag now, leather flap shoulder bag. Let me click on this bag. Okay, as you can see here, I have clicked on this bag now. First thing is, you use that to download it. Use this, is either you download it or you share it. You can also share it like this. Okay, so when you share it like this, you can share it to Facebook or your Instagram page. So people will come, and immediately you see order, you get order from your Facebook or your Instagram. You now come back to this app again. You have to fill this area. Okay, you have to fill this area. Let me click on it now. Let's assume that we have seen person that wants to buy it. You come down to this order now. You click on the order now. Just click on the order now. So immediately you click on the order now, you start fill this area. You can see enter your profit. So don't forget that the price is 5,000 naira. What you are going to do is you can use it. You can write 7,000 naira to it. 7,000. Okay, and then in this this one now, you have to write one. Whether how many quantity, you press this plus. Okay, it's two. Whether it's two, you write two there. Whether it's one, you write one there. Just pressing plus and minus. Okay, enter product space, whether black or brown. Okay, the color of the product, you put it there, and then add to cart. Okay, when you add to cart, so you place order. Okay guys, so you place order. So that is how you go about this now. So I will now teach you how to go about it on Facebook. Okay, I will now teach you how to go about it on Facebook. So let me go back to my Facebook now and show you exactly what I did. Okay guys, this is the Facebook now. As you can see, many people here, you know that there is a marketplace on Facebook, not this home page, but marketplace. First thing is to move down to this area. Can you see this area now on Facebook? First thing is to move to this three line here. So just click on it. By the time you click on it, you will see marketplace. Can you see this marketplace here? This is the marketplace here. So what you are going to do, just click on it like this. As you can see many people here also selling their own product. Can you see many products here? So that's where you also come here to come and create your own here, so that people will contact you directly, whether you are at your home or without any stress. Okay guys, it's very easy and very simple. And then the next thing to do to place your own advert here, you see this icon. Can you see this icon? Do you see that? So you now press it. Just press on the icon like this. Okay, so immediately the icon, you see the icon like this, and you can see it here live like this. Now what to do here is to press on listing. Okay, listing. So you can see it here. Just come down here to list, just press this one, listing. And as you can see, you have to create your own. Now the next thing to do is to come down to this place and you click on it like this. Just click on it, and as you can see here, we have three things here. Whether it's items, you know, don't forget that we want to promote the bag, and bag is under items. And then if you want to promote vehicles, and if you want to promote home for sales or rent, that is house or this. But we are not, this app is basically based on items. Okay, so that's why we are going to choose items. Okay, you can use all this for others, whether you want to promote vehicles or other things. Okay, but for this app, this Tendo app is based on items. Okay guys, so we have to choose items. So this is the, that's why we are going to choose this number one. Okay guys, so just press on it like this. Immediately you press on it like this, as you can see this page here now. So don't forget that the bag you downloaded to your phone, you click this area. By the time you click this area, you can see this is my phone now. You can see this is my phone now. I have to pick it there. So I didn't download this for purpose of this tutorial, but I told you should download it. It will go to your phone directly. Just click this area and you pick it directly. And the title of the bag, it has been written there, the brown bag or something like that. Okay, and then the price, you put the price here, and then the category of the bag, 1 or 2 or this thing, and the category of the bag, you have to put it there. Okay, so after that you put the location, description, you put the description and the tags. Okay, after all this one, after you fill all this area directly, you now move down to next. You move down to next here. You move down to this place. Do you see that? That is next. So you just have to click that area. Now I can see here, because I have not filled any area here, you can see here, that's why it cannot move to that. But if you have filled everything, you have to move down to the next. Immediately you move to the next, it will bring out publish. Okay, it will bring out publish. So you now click on publish like that. So when you click on publish, everything will publicize and it will go directly to that marketing area here. It will go directly to marketing area here. Let me go back to this place. It will go directly, and then this, you now see your advert here. This now you will see your advert. So you just when people call you, you go back to the app Tendo again, and you click on it, you fill the order, you write the address, the phone number of that person, so that the Tendo will now send the goods to the person directly. Okay guys, so when they send the goods to the person directly, the money you added to it, it will be credited into your own account. So that is how we go about it. And this app is mainly used in Africa, only Nigeria and Ghana. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you like the video. Okay guys, thank you, peace.